So, and the last video, what we have the story is telling Shamnath is going to invite the chief of his company to his house, and he's very much concerned about the arrangement, about the standard, everything, so that he can keep a good impression on the chief. And the next part is his only thing is he's worried about his mother, because his mother is a village lady and she's not modern, and she is not updated according to the market, and she don't know the English. So he's thinking what will happen if any face to face will happen between the chief and the mother. So what he has thought, like he has dressed up little better, uh, that dress for her, and he told her that she has to be inside her room, she don't have to come out. Okay. So now what happened after that, the party started, and the all people were in the bathak, means in the drawing room, and it was a drinking party, and it continued till 11. So now drinking party is over, everyone is happy, and now it is the dinner time. So Samnath is taking all of them to the baramda. Baramda means the corridor. Okay. So आगे आगे शामनाथ रास्ता दिखाते हुए पीछे चीफ और दूसरे मेहमान, मीन्स फ्रंट शामनाथ is taking them and showing them the way, and next to after him, back of him is the chief and the other guest. बरामदे में पहुंचते ही शामनाथ सहसा ठिठक गए. As soon as he reached in the baranda, he was stopped with a surprise. जो दृश्य उन्होंने देखा, the scene he saw, उससे उनकी टांगे लड़खड़ा गई. His legs started to shake or shiver. और क्षण भर में सारा नशा हिरन होने लगा. And whatever zone, in which zone he was before, they were drunk and they were in the another dream, they were playing, gossiping, they were in the musty mood, that all the um, thing has hiran has become the hiran, means like a hiran, how hiran is running, means if hiran's very fast, no? So the nasha, that zone also disappeared in a second. बरामदे में इन कोठरी के बाहर माँ अपनी कुर्सी पर ज्यों की त्यों बैठी थी, and in front of the कोठरी in the corridor, माँ was sitting as it is on the chair. मगर दोनों पांव कुर्सी की सीट पर रखे हुए, but both of her legs were strapped on the chair. और सिर दाएं से बाएं और बाएं से दाएं झूल रहा था, and her head was swinging from left to right, right to left, because she was in sleep, so her head was shaking. और मुंह से लगातार गहरे खर्राटों की आवाजें आ रही थी, and from the mouth continuous snoring sound was coming. जब सिर कुछ देर के लिए टेढ़ा होकर एक तरफ को थमता था, तो खर्राटे और भी गहरे होते. And in this process, when the head was tilted and it was stable in a particular position, then it means she went to the deep sleep. So at that time, the snoring sound was little more deep, means more loud sound was coming. And again again she is getting up from the sleep, so little light sleep she was. And again, और फिर झटके से जब नींद टूटती, and then with a shock again, then when the sleep is broken, then again her head was swinging from left to right, means there are two conditions they have mentioned. One thing is her head is swinging like this, singing, so the snoring sound is there, and swinging like that, she has stable condition. Then she is taking more deep snoring, then suddenly she is getting up. Getting up means she is not waking up, but the sleep is little light this time. So again her head is shaking and little low sound is coming, snoring sound is low, and again she is in the deep sleep, again more sound is coming, like this. So 2 states they have mentioned. पल्ला सिर पर से खिसक आया था and the dupatta has moved down from the head. और माँ के झरे हुए बाल आधे गंजे सिर पर अस्त व्यस्त बिखर रहे थे and all the half fallen hair was spreaded unorganized on her half bare head. देखते ही श्यामनाथ क्रुद्ध हो गए and after seeing this श्यामनाथ was very angry. जी चाहा माँ को धक्का देकर उठा दे and he wished he can wake her up with a push और उन्हें कोठरी में धकेल दे and he wanted to push her in the कोठरी मगर ऐसा संभव नहीं था but this was not possible. Why it was not possible? Because chief और बाकी मेहमान पास खड़े थे means the chief and the other guest were standing nearby. माँ को देखते ही देसी अफसरों की कुछ स्त्रियां हंस दी. After seeing the mother, some Indian officer's wife gave a laugh. इतने में चीफ ने धीरे से कहा and immediately that time only the chief said slowly, poor dear, poor fellow, pity fellow. माँ हड़बड़ा के उठ बैठी and suddenly mom became like uncomfortably she woke up. सामने खड़े इतने लोगों को देखकर ऐसी घबराई कि कुछ दिखा and in front of her she saw these many people and she became this much uncomfortable and she could not say anything. घर के पल्ला सर पर रखती हुई खड़ी हो गई and very fast she has taken her dupatta on the head and she stood up and जमीन को देखने लगी means she just started to see the floor. उनके पांव लड़खड़ाने लगे. Her legs were shaking and हाथों की उंगलियां थर-थर कांपने लगी and his fingers were shivering. That much she was scared and she was very much uncomfortable. माँ तुम जाके सो जाओ. तुम इतनी देर तक क्यों जाग रही थी? माँ you go and sleep. Why you were awake till this much time? और खिसियाई हुई नजरों से श्यामनाथ चीफ के मुंह की ओर देखने लगे and with the very shameful eyes he is seeing the chief's face. चीफ के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट थी but the chief was smiling. वो वहीं खड़े खड़े बोले नमस्ते. He greeted the माँ नमस्ते. माँ ने झिझकते हुए अपने में सिमटे हुए दोनों हाथ जोड़े and the mother झिझकते हुए means with like she was not open up and she was little uncomfortable and she just said she has folded her both hands. मगर but here also one problem is there. What is the problem? एक हाथ दुपट्टे के अंदर माला को पकड़े हुआ but her one hand was holding under the dupatta. It was holding the garland and she was doing the puja. दूसरा बाहर and the another hand was outside. ठीक तरह से नमस्ते भी ना कर and she could not do namaste also properly. श्यामनाथ इस पर भी खुन हो रहे. श्यामनाथ on this also श्यामनाथ became little angry. इतने में चीफ ने अपना दायां हाथ मिलाने के लिए मां किया and this that time only chief has moved his hand forward to shake with the ma. His right दायां हाथ means right hand. He just moved forward. He wanted to shake hand with the ma. Ma और भी घबरा उठी and mother became more uncomfortable. Ma हाथ मिलाओ. Now the Shamnath is giving instruction to the mother. Mom shake the hand. पर हाथ कैसे मिलाती? But how could she shake the hand? दाएं हाथ में तो माला थी. In the right hand she was holding the garland. घबराहट में माँ ने बायां हाथ ही माँ साहब के दाएं हाथ में रख दिया and uncomfortably she kept her left hand only in the right hand of the sahab. Shamnath दिल ही दिल में जल उठे and Shamnath in the heart only he was burning with the anger. देशी अफसरों की स्त्रियां खिलखिलाकर and all the Indian officers' wives laughed. क्यों नहीं माँ, तुम तो जानती हो दायां हाथ मिलाया जाता है. दायां हाथ मिलाओ. Not this way mother, you know already. We have to shake with the right hand. दायां हाथ मिलाओ. shake with the right hand like this. He is just trying to say like my mother knows, but today I don't know what happened to her, like that. He is just trying to represent about her mother. मगर तब तक चीफ माँ का बायां हाथ ही बार बार हिलाकर कह रहे थे, how do you? But Chief did not notice this. Like he was not he just greeted namaste, and he moved his he has taken his right hand forward, and the mom has given the left hand, and that hand only he hold it, and he is telling how do you do, like that. He is talking to the mother. कहो माँ मैं ठीक हूँ, खैरियत से हूँ. Now the Shamnath is giving again the instruction to mother. Say माँ मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine, खैरियत से हूँ, I am very much okay. माँ कुछ बड़बड़ाई. माँ has murmured something. माँ कहती है मैं ठीक हूँ. कहो माँ how do you do? So Ma is telling, Ma is telling, Ma has murmured something, so she has murmured in herself. So Shamnath is conveying the message to the chief. Ma is saying, I am good. Say mother. Now he is telling to the mother, now mom, it's your turn. You say, how do you do? You should ask to the chief, how do you do? Like that. माँ धीरे से सकचाते हुए बोली, how do you do? Like that. She just she was feeling ashamed, and she said, how do you do? Like she could not speak properly, so she said, how do you do? एक बार फिर कहा उठा, and again kaha means again the laughing sound with the happiness was that. वातावरण हल्का होने लगा. Atmosphere became light. Means the situation was now under control. साहब ने स्थिति संभाल ली थी. The chief has tackled the situation. लोग चहकने लगे थे, and the people were now laughing and talking. Shamnath के मन का शोध भी कुछ कम होने लगा, and the anger inside in the heart of Shamnath also was now reducing. साहब अपने हाथ में माँ का हाथ अब भी पकड़ा, but the chief was still holding the माँ का हाथ in his hand. और माँ सिकुड़ी जा रही थी, and the mother was shrinking. साहब के मुंह से शराब की बू आ रही थी, and the beer smell was coming from the mouth of साहब. Shamnath अंग्रेजी में बोले. Shamnath said in English, मेरी माँ गांव की रहने वाली. My mother is from the village. उम्र भर गांव में रही. She used to live in the village for lifetime. इसलिए आपसे लजाती है. So she is feeling shy of you. साहब इस पर खुश नजर आए, and the साहब was looking happy on this. बोले सच, मुझे गांव के लोग बहुत पसंद है. Really, I like the village people so much. तब तो तुम्हारी माँ गांव के गीत और नाच भी जानती होगी. Then your mother will be knowing the village songs and the dance also. Chief खुशी से सिर उलाते हुए माँ को टकटकी बांधे देखने लगा, and the chief with the happiness he is continuously seeing the mother. माँ साहब कहते हैं कोई गाना गाओ, कोई गाना सुनाओ, कोई पुराना गीत तुम्हें तो कितने ही याद होंगे. Now that Shamnath is saying to mother, माँ Sahab is saying, sing a song. Any old song, you will be knowing so much. Like he is trying to say, like my mother know so many songs, so anyone she can sing. माँ ने धीरे से बोला. माँ slowly she said, मैं क्या गाऊंगी बेटा, मैंने कब गाया है? What I will say son, when I have sung any song. वाह माँ, मेहमान का कहा भी कोई टालता है. Now he is telling, anyone can ignore the wish of a guest. No, right? So he's telling like he's just making the talks. साहब ने इतना रीच के कहा है, नहीं गाओगी तो साहब बुरा मान जाएंगे. Like Sahab is telling from this much request. So like if you will not sing, he will feel bad. मैं क्या गाऊं बेटा, मुझे क्या आता है? What should I sing बेटा? What I know? Like that mother is little trying to ignore. वाह कोई बढ़िया टप्पे सुना दो. तो पत्तरा नारा दे. Now he is telling any like 2 paragraphs of the song you can say. The tappe means the paragraph of a song. तो पत्तरा नारा दे. Now he is giving the example like this song you can sing. इसी अफसर और उनकी स्त्रियों ने इस सुझाव पर तालियां पीटी. All the Indian officers' wives and officers clapped on this suggestion. माँ कभी दीन दृष्टि से बेटे के चेहरे को देखती, कभी पास खड़ी बहू के चेहरे को. And the mother With the poor eyes, she is looking at the son's face and the daughter-in-law's face. Like once he is looking her face, his face, like this. She is so much confused. What should I do? What should I not do? इतने में बेटे ने गंभीर आदेश बड़े लिहाज में कहा, and immediately he was thinking, and immediately the son sat seriously and ordering way. Ma means he's now like he's saying ma, but in that ma word there is a order, serious order for mother. इसके बाद हाँ या ना का तो सवाल ही ना उठता था. After this there was no question of yes and no. माँ बैठ गई. माँ sat down. She'd दुर्बल. She'd and दुर्बल both are the same meaning. Weak. लरजती आवाज में in the shy voice पुराना विवाह का गीत गाने लगी, and she started to sing the old marriage song. हरियाणी माए हरियाणी बेड़े हरियाणी तबागी परिया है. This is the song, and even I don't know the meaning of this. This is the Haryani or Rajasthani language. After listening this, देशी स्त्रियां खिलखिला के हंस उठी, and all the Indian officers, Indian lady खिलखिला के हंस उठी means like happily they laughed. तीन पंक्तियां गा के माँ चुप हो गई. After singing the 3 lines, mom became silent. बरामदा तालियों से गूंज उठा. There was a big sound of clapping in the corridor. साहब तालियां पीटना बंद ही ना करते थे. The chief was not stopping to clap. शामनाथ की खींच प्रसन्नता और गर्व में बदल उठी थी, and the anger of Shamnath was converted into the appreciation and in the proud. माँ ने पार्टी में नया रंग भर दिया था, and the mother has filled the new colors in the party. So till now I think the story is very interesting, and I hope you are very much curious what will happen in the last. So keep watching, and any doubt you can write in the comment box. Bye bye.